Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to edit our PDF document without converting to it Word document or without installing any third party software on our computer. Please watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to go to the online website. Let me just show you here the website name. Let me just here. First of all, go to your any browser of the computer, and here in the search bar, let's type sejddsc.com and hit the enter. Okay, this is the website. This is the website sejdda.com. sejdda.com on which we can edit our PDF document. And edit a PDF document here we can see edit a PDF document. It's free and without any watermark we can edit our PDF document. Okay, for editing our document we have to first upload, and let's click here. And here is the on option for uploading our PDF file, and let's click here to upload our document. And here we can you can select your PDF file, and let me just select this PDF file and open here. Now our document, our PDF file is uploaded here on the website, and we can easily edit on it. Okay, and let me just show you one demonstration. Just I want to edit here. Just please have a look here. I want to remove this model question. Okay, I want to remove this model. Just in place of here you can edit here question. Okay, just final term I want to write here something, final exam, and like this you can edit the document. Okay, and here if you want to edit here I want to remove this question number 1, and then you can here. Okay, just you can edit here. Let me just remove this read, and in place of read I want to write, I want to do edit here. Anything you can write, anything here. And okay, let me just remove this top portion. Okay, let me just remove this, and here is the on option which is white out. Okay, let me just select this, and here our cursor is changed, our mouse cursor is changed, and we can remove this block like this. Here is the white out. Okay, and let me just do here. This is the white out, and we can do the same thing for the others. And here let me just remove this. Okay, this is totally removed, and we can put the text here. Let's put the text here. Go to the text here. To put the text here, go to this option and click here, and you can type here text. Let me just write here ABC. You can type anything here. Okay, and just clicking here you can resize the text here. Okay, for resizing the size here you can change the font size. Let me just, here is the slider to change the font size. You can change. Okay, and you can color this. Okay, here is the option for the color. Okay, color also can be changed, bold and italic. Okay, here are the so many options for the text. Or you can delete this. Okay, here is the delete icon. You can delete. Okay, let me just show you another option for this is the text. Okay, this is the text option. You can add the new text here, or you can put the links also. You can put the links. Here is the option for the links, and you can make the forms. Okay, if you want to add the checkbox, let me just show you one option. Okay, let me just drop down list. Okay, let me just add the drop down list here, and here is the option for the drop down, and click here, and you can edit the drop down list here. Here are the so many options. This is the color, and this is field properties. Okay, you can go here and change the name here of the drop down box. Let me just choose you can edit, and you can edit for the options too. Options, you can edit for the title, field name, and options too. Okay, this is how we can add the forms properties like drop down list. Okay, here are the so many options. Drop down list, this is the radio options, and this is checkbox options, check box option, and this is the drop down box, or you can add the text multiple lines. Okay, there are the so many ways. Let me just remove this. Okay, here is the delete. Okay, this is forms, and you can add the images if you want to add the some images on this PDF. Okay, let me just put my logo. Okay, let me just open this. Okay, my logo is coming here. Okay, and you can resize this logo. Here is the resize. You can resize, and you can put anywhere on this document. We can add the photo or images on our document, on our PDF. Okay, let me just put this logo here. Okay, now our logo is here on the document, on the PDF file. Like this, you can add so many pictures, and you can add the signatures too. Here is the option for the signature, and white out means just making the white. Let me just show once again for white out. Let me just erase this. Okay, now this is white out, or you can do here. Let me just remove this by white out. Okay, this is the option for white out. And the annotation tool, here are the so many annotation tools you can draw here by choosing. And here are the shapes also. You can make the rectangular shapes just by clicking here. Let me just draw the rectangular shape here. Okay, this is the rectangle. Let me just delete. And here are the so many options. Find and replace, this is very interesting option. Let me just select this, and here is the one box is open. Find and replace. Let me just here is the word question. Okay, let me just replace this word question by the paper. Let me just type here find. In find, let me just type the question. I want to replace the word question by the paper. Okay, and replace all. And please have a look here. This is question, and this will become the paper after replacing. Okay, now this becomes. Okay, let me just here you can see this becomes paper. Okay, and among all the document, the questions will become the paper just by making the find and replace. And you can do the undo here. Here is the options undo, and here the all the activities we have changed on our PDF document. You can do the undo here. Answer 3 of the following paper. Okay, and we can remove. Okay, let me just undo the whiteout, or we can undo the others document. Here editing and reboot selected, and our document is okay on the previous state. After doing the undo, here is the option for the undo. There are so many ways, there are so many facilities on editing the PDF document. And after editing, after changing on the PDF file, we can apply the changes here. Here is the option for apply the changes, and after clicking here, your task is processing. Okay, and you can download the document. Okay, without any watermark. This is very useful website. Without any watermark, we can download our document. Okay, here is no any watermark, and I have removed here the title. Okay, and I have kept some changes here on this document. This is the way of editing the PDF document without any watermark and without installing any third-party software on our computer. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Have a very good day.